Now let us discuss about ER. ER is a short form of endoplasmic reticulum. What it is? It is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. It looks like long tubules or round or oblong bags or vesicles. So generally these are tube-like and vesicle-like structures, and there are two types of ER. That is, two types of endoplasmic reticulums are available into the cell. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now these two reticulums are based on their surface. That ER has a rough surface, then it is termed as RER, and ER has a smooth surface, is termed as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and based on their structure, that rough and smooth, their function also will be varied. So now we are going to discuss about the difference between RER and SER and why their surface is rough and why their surface is smooth, and based on that their function will also vary. Now as per the structures, there are two types of ER. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Both are important in terms of their function. With rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached, and with smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this process is associated, that is known as membrane biogenesis. So both endoplasmic reticulums are very important for the cell. So let us see first rough endoplasmic reticulum. That rough surface is because of the particles attached to that surface, and they are ribosomes. So ribosomes are attached to this ER, and that is because that is rough. So this rough surface is because of the ribosomes attached to that. Now what are the ribosomes and what is the function of ribosomes? So ribosomes are protein manufacturing site. They send this protein to various places in the cell using ER. So this rough endoplasmic reticulums are having a ribosomes attached to that surface. So that's why their surface looks rough. And these ribosomes are actually protein manufacturing site. So ribosomes are manufacturing protein, and they are manufacturing this protein and they are sending to individual places in the cell where and all they require the protein. So they are manufacturing and they are sending this protein with the help of ER. So there they are taking the help of ER to distribute the protein where and all they required into the cell. So that is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now smooth surface is there here, and that is termed as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum? That it helps in manufacturing of fat molecules or lipid. So they are helping in fat molecules and into the lipid. Now lipid molecules are used in various cell functions, and as well as they are used in building the cell membrane. We know that what is a cell membrane? Cell membrane are the semi-permeable membrane which allows the transfer or the movement of material inside and outside the cell. So into the manufacturing of cell membrane, lipid molecules are important, and those lipid molecules are manufactured at smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what is membrane biogenesis? That smooth endoplasmic reticulum helping in manufacturing of fat or lipid molecule, so that lipid molecules in turn can manufacture cell membrane. So that complete process is known as membrane biogenesis, and that happens at smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It also helps in detoxifying many of the poisons and drugs. Some of the substances which are injurious or dangerous for the cell, so those substances will be detoxifying by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this were the basic difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Hope this video has solved your doubts, and in coming videos we are going to learn some more important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.